Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com again, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a cannoli copycat keto style. So remember this Twinkie filling that I was telling you about? I'm just going to use it, and I got my tortillas, and I'm going to spread it in the middle of my tortilla. This is so good, and I love cannolis, but cannolis don't love me. So what I did is I spread it out like that. I am going to put a line of milk chocolate, Lily's chocolate chips. Okay? And then I'm gonna roll it up. But first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of the Twinkie filling on the edge here to keep it folded together. So now I'm gonna roll it up. Look at that. And then you just gotta cut it. And you have a delicious, rich cannoli copycat. Okay, guys, that's how easy it is, guys. There's so many different things you can do with Healthy Treats Market products. So come see us, guys. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And be sure to go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and look up more recipes like this, okay? You can just type it in the search box. Thanks for watching. God bless you.